If it hasn't sunk in already that Westland Ranch in Lake City is growing and expanding and constantly doing more sections, then this hopefully is the video for you. We're taking a look here in Westland Ranch, D.R. Horton 60-foot section. Their model home in this section is new, and we're here to check it out. We have literally visited and been around here for all builders. D.R. Horton, K of Nanian, Ashton Woods, which is right next door. And so we're here to talk about the growth, and we're here to explain how amazing this community is for people and the popularity of it and the fact that so many people want to be here. And just look at that back there, all of that growth. That was not here a year and a half ago. And so I'm super excited to show you this model home. D.R. Horton is a very popular builder, and we checked out the 50-foot section when they first came on, and we're ready to go here in this community. And now they're growing and they're expanding into entirely new sections. So if you're ready, let's go take a look at it. If you're new to the channel or you are wanting an update on this community Westland Ranch, this video is for you. I wanted to remind you that all lots in this community are 50 to 70 foot lot sizes, pretty good size, and this community has done nothing but grow. So we're here to look at D.R. Horton's latest model home in their 60-foot section here. This is the latest model to be done in the community in general, and this is what it is. So we've got lovely brick and siding exterior here, and it's just a lovely home. It's a great sized home, so if you're looking in the area, give D.R. Horton here a shot. Enjoy.